What's up, YouTube? Green Rhino Academy, clean up Facebook groups, and yeah. So this one's just a little video here. So I know I haven't been filming much lately. It's not that I'm not got any work. I got work. It's not crazy, but I got work. Check out the van. Look at the van. It's nice and clean. Right here, I put this out. Either out at the end of my van or out on the street corner, for instance, like out over there on the block that I'm working on. You know, just doing a little extra, guys. So that's a little tip for you guys. So yeah, not doing a lot of recording. Just been dealing with a lot of issues in my life lately. You know, medical issues mostly. You know, it just bombarded me. A lot of stress. So a lot going on, so it's hard for me to record. But you know, out of every one of these, there's one of these. So I'll be on here filming like a madman again. Okay, I'm still going to be doing a little bit. I got to get over this rough patch, all right? So bear with me, guys. Yeah, as far as my school, Green Rhino Academy. You know, there's always that stuff in there, and Green Rhino Academy Facebook group, people are helping each other out in there constantly, all right? So I still dabble in there from time to time. But yeah, it's gonna be a little slow here on my recording, but I did not abandon my YouTube channel, all right? I'm still, you know, gonna be pushing. I'm still gonna be motivating, right? Because the carpet cleaning business is a life-changing business. Any business is a life-changing business. You just got to figure out what business is for you, right? So for me, the floor cleaning, carpet cleaning, tile cleaning, you know, upholstery cleaning, all that stuff is life-changing because it changes your financial stability. You know, it takes a lot of stress off of you, right? So now you no longer have to work all those hours to make that type of money, right? So getting in a position to where you can pay what you need to pay and you're comfortable in life, it's a big weight off your shoulder. And I lived most of my life with that weight on my shoulder, you know, struggling, paycheck by paycheck, you know. I remember back I was doing like the check for cash, right? So I got in that rabbit hole for years. I mean, once you do it once, it keeps going, guys, especially when you're poor. So getting out of that it's huge for a lot of us. Yeah, money isn't everything. Health is, right? And then, you know, money and family, and you know, but yeah. So I'm still gonna keep inspiring people to go ahead and make that first step. You know, and you never know what carpet cleaning what it can turn into. You know, most people start carpet cleaning and get into something else, but without that first step, they've never been in that second step, right? So like the steps. So all right, that's it for this one, guys. Man, yesterday was beautiful. Look at today. Supposed to rain this weekend. Yeah. All right, guys. So hey, I hope you guys are doing well and blessed and all that. We'll see you in the next one.